Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is 2022, 13th of September. Guten Morgen, Hubert. And nice to see you, Bradley. Thank you so much for coming in. Hi, AUDJPY. Hi, Trinette. Nice to see you here, right? And Aiden, nice to see all of you here, right? Okay, hi, Roger. Nice to see you. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, I'm having lunch. Okay. All right. So yeah. Okay. So yes. In this session, yeah, we are going to plan out what are we going to focus today. All right. So that we are going to better focus in our trading later on in the London session. All right. Okay. So yeah, September. Yes, very fast. Okay. So at the moment, I would like to announce that tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow, I may not have enough time to come back for the live streaming. All right, if I can make it on time, all right, and I will start the live streaming. All right, okay, yeah. Tentatively, I will just let you know that I will have any live streaming tomorrow. But if I can make it, all right, then I will come in. All right, okay. So yeah, let's begin. Can I have my MT4, please? All right. So thank you. All right. So let's start off with AUDJPY. Right, AUDJPY. So AUDJPY over here, well, we can see that AUDJPY at the moment, let's identify the trend first. Okay, identifying the trend is very important, right? So at the moment, okay, so let's see. Okay, hey, hi Jamet. I just want to say hi. I've been working my butt off. I work night and morning of today. All right, please keep up the good work. Oh, thank you very much, Jamet. Thank you very, very much. Wow, all right. I promise you that I'm going to learn to pronounce your name. Am I right? I hope yeah. I hope I pronounce it correctly this time. Okay. All right. So yeah, and yeah, let me know. Okay, if I'm almost there, yeah, I will try. All right. Okay. So Aussie cat. Well, please take care. All right. I know you're busy, but please get enough rest too. All right. So yeah, Aussie cat over here identifying the trend first. So after it actually hits on the support, it retraced backwards as a bull. So tentatively at the moment, okay, by looking at this is currently still, I would say that we are still looking out for a buying, right? The buying is still highly possible. So for Aussie cat, tentatively, I won't be going for any selling at the moment. Although there's a sign of selling, okay, coming soon. As of this session, I don't see any selling session, any selling opportunity yet. Okay, so currently, all right, I will just say that tentatively we will just need to monitor for a little while more. Okay, until it forms a downward trend, then I think Aussie cat will be a good one to sell, because from the resistance, as I can see, to the support, we have almost 100 pips to go. All right, so but tentatively it is still not there yet. Okay, so yeah, just hang on with that. Right, so Aussie franc. Yeah, Aussie franc. So for Aussie franc over here, okay, let's take a look at Aussie franc. So by looking at this Aussie franc today, okay, so Aussie franc is actually currently right now is into the support area. So I will suggest that tentatively try to stay away, because in this support area it may go either way, right? So it's not very safe to trade for now. Okay, so yeah, just keep this. How about Aussie yen? Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen has been climbing the mountain to the moon, so riding the bull to the moon now. So tentatively, is it a retracement or a pullback? Okay, at the moment, all right, at the moment it looks good that it's actually pulling back into a selling state. All right, so for this situation here, okay, by looking at this, all right, I will plot out one, okay, here, right? So for the resistance, okay, then I will put out the support is over here. Okay, so support level, okay, so tentatively, yeah, I'll just leave it this way first, okay, because I see that Aussie yen, there may be a good chance for selling today. All right, so guys can pay attention to Aussie yen, which is looking at probably is coming soon. Okay, so just take note. This is one chart that actually showing a trending market is actually going to come. Right, so this is something that we can take note. Okay, yep. So for now, okay, just hang on first. All right, for Aussie yen, because Aussie yen is actually forming up the selling trend. Okay, it's almost there. So yep, I'm going to put this Aussie yen into my selling list. Okay, for now. All right, so later on we will see how it goes. Okay, Aussie yen, yes. Okay, into my list. Okay, next, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi, tentatively, I'm still looking out for a bull. So no for selling. Buyers, stay away also, because we are very near to the resistance. Unless it breaks the resistance, then we will continue the buy. If not, then just stay away. All right. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar and Aussie dollar over here. And we are looking at in the trend, which is actually a bear trend, as we can see. We are still in the bear trend. However, the bear trend happens having past trading days. We have past 2 trading days. We actually have a retracement. So this retracement actually comes into a situation whereby it made up a resistance over here. Okay, so as we can see, it tested here around this area. Then now this resistance is coming into a selling trend. So Aussie dollar, I will be looking out for selling. Same resistance, same support, no change. Okay, except for current support over here. Okay, we are now still on the support. So it's still testing to break the support. Well, so let's wait. As we can see, since that's a very clear one, okay, I think this is the one that we are waiting for. All right, so for Aussie dollar, which is quite good. All right, so Aussie dollar, all right, I'm going to put this into my selling list also. All right, so yes, Aussie dollar. Okay, so next to go. Now, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie over here, let's take a look at the trend. Well, the trend is still running on the bear trend. So in the bear trend, are we having any retracement? Looks like it's actually coming in retracement. So for Euro Aussie today, I'm going to skip this for a while, okay, and I'll monitor it later on. All right. So yep, EURJPY. Well, EURJPY over here. EURJPY, we have tested the resistance once again, and the resistance is still there. So tentatively, okay, like you can see, okay, over here, the resistance. Okay, let me switch the lines over. Yeah, the resistance. Okay, so it has tested once, and now we are back here again. So at this moment, all right, we can see the resistance over here. Okay, so let's place it nicely. So for EURJPY, as we can see, the trend is actually still moving towards the resistance. Test it again. So looks like okay, and now it's still on the climbing. So tentatively, we are not going to touch this as well. All right, for EURPAUD, to answer some questions over here, EURPAUD tentatively in this zone here where now it's actually coming out of the zone for a selling. The selling is there, all right, but however, today still looking at this to retest the resistance, retest into the. So will that be forming a downward trend? Yes, probably, but not clear yet. So I advise everybody to stay away first. Okay, all right. How about Euro Yen? Euro Yen. Well, for Euro Yen, okay, for Euro Yen, actually by looking at Euro Yen right now, Euro Yen seems like it's still climbing, and there's a pulling back. A good chance for selling now. All right, let's check. Okay, so for Euro Yen, we are still on the higher support, and still up there. We are still up there. Met up with one resistance here. Okay, so support is actually over here. Okay, so now, okay, by looking at this, it's hovering around the resistance. So I will say that probably we may need to wait for a little while to show the selling. Okay, but the selling, it looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. However, it may go either way as well. So for this case, okay, we are still in the transition. Okay, we are still in the transition. So transiting from the bull into the bear. So for now, okay, I will advise that everybody should wait for Euro Yen to come for a selling first before we actually start selling. Okay, so we can pay attention to this. All right, we can still pay attention to this. Okay, so later we can monitor. All right, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put this into my list. Euro Kiwi. Yeah, Euro Kiwi tentatively by looking at this, we are bull. So running on the bull side, okay, so still very strong for the bull to run, and now still testing on the resistance. So it's still testing the resistance, so neither good for the seller, neither good for the buyer. Okay, so buyer and seller, we have to stay away, right? Okay, so Euro dollar, we are in the bear, all right, but in the bear, now tentatively is retracing upwards to break into the bull. So will this euro dollar actually still growing strongly? Now we can see it's from this 1:1, it actually the low of 98 to 1013. We have about let's talk about this. We have almost 300 over pips, right? Okay, so 200 pips, 250 pips. Okay, so yeah, will it continue the bull run at the moment? Yeah, I would say that tentatively for euro dollar, it is still running on the bull today. So currently, okay, we are not into the bear yet, so I'm going to stay away. All right, but for buyer, yes, buyers, you can take note of the euro dollar. Okay, well, pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie. As for pound Aussie over here, okay, pound Aussie, okay, currently, okay, like we are looking at this pound Aussie, okay, we are in the bear. So at the moment, okay, for pound Aussie, what we have seen over here, pound Aussie, are we looking out for a selling opportunity right here? Now, pound Aussie, there's a selling opportunity. We are on the resistance where no change since yesterday, and today we are still here at the resistance. Okay, so there may be a chance for selling over here. Alright, so at the point here, okay, we are looking out for this point whereby at this resistance, there may be a chance for selling opportunity of 45 pips. So Pound Aussie quite good. Alright, so I'm going to put Pound Aussie into my selling list. Alright, so yep. So next to go, AUDCAD. So GBPCAD over here, okay, so let's look at GBPCAD. We are in the bear, but the bear is actually having a retracement now. Retracement to test on the resistance. Now it's testing on the resistance. Will this resistance hold? If this resistance going to hold the selling, we can continue the selling. Okay, if not, once it breaks above, then no for selling anymore. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's for GBPCAD. Yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, so pound franc. Yes, pound franc. Pound franc. By looking at this, we are in the bear. Right, we're in the bear trend. So tentatively, where are we looking out for the selling? All right, selling. Any resistance? All right, so let's take a look. The resistance is still here. Okay, so support no change. Then over at this part here, okay, so we still have about an 18 pips. Okay, so we are right in the middle. Okay. So we are right in the middle, but pound franc is still looking out for selling. Okay, so tentatively, okay, so we can still, I will still put pound franc. Okay, just in case it went up to test the resistance to give us more space, then we will be able to sell. All right, okay, let's move. Okay, hi Wasim, good morning to you. All right, so over here for pound yen, yeah, pound yen. Pound yen, yes, coming to my target very soon. Okay, so going to start selling. Seems like now already have some sign of weakening. Okay, so tentatively, let's take a look. Will that be a good chance for selling today? So pound yen, I would say that tentatively the bull is still in control. Okay, the bull is still in control over here. So the resistance, okay, it has pushed up a little bit higher up here, and we still have about 40 pips. Okay, 40. That's for pound yen. Yes, tentatively for pound yen is in the transition. Okay, turning from the bull into the bear. Okay, so for now, right? For now, selling is selling of this. There may be a chance of 40 pips, but we have to use scalping. Why is that so? Is because, okay, we are still in the transition. So tentatively, I would say that for pound yen, okay, it may be only a pullback. This may be a pullback only. So currently, okay, we can monitor it, but I'm not going to put it on my watch list. Okay, all right. So yeah, let's move again. Yes, BIT XRP. Daily profit target 5 pips USD $100. Is it possible with balance of 1,000? So that means the lot size should be very big. I won't suggest that. Okay, it is not very proportional. Okay, and it will trigger a lot of emotions. Okay, and especially when the trade turns against you. Then you will be having a lot of emotions stirred up. I don't really suggest that. Okay, start small. Okay, start small. All right. So with $1,000. Okay, start small and with the 5 pips trading. Okay, target of 5 pips. Okay, then slowly grow your lot size. Okay, in a systematic way. Okay, so that you will not fall into any pitfall. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's move on to Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi, right? Pound Kiwi. Well, Pound Kiwi. This is now we are in the Pound Kiwi. Let's take a look at the trend. Do I pronounce your name as Nitinan? Oh, 恭喜 สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหม nice. It's been a long time since I see you, huh? กินข้าวเดี๋ยวไหม Alright, so let's continue with this Pound Kiwi, right? Pound Kiwi over here. All right, Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi, I'm looking out for buying. Okay, the setup of the support is still very strong. Okay, so tentatively, Pound Kiwi, I'm looking out for support. Sorry, for buying until it reaches the resistance. Okay, then we have about 50 over pips to go. Right. So for now, okay, for now, as we can see, now we are still moving on the buy side. So Pound Kiwi buying is possible. So for the rest of the seller, we have to stay away. Okay. สบายดีครับ oh nice 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 okay that's good okay all right so yeah and let's take a look at pound dollar we are in the bear but the bear has been moving towards the north for the past few days and will there be a chance that it's actually coming down I see that there's still no chance. Okay, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting for this. We are still on the same resistance. Okay, resistance slightly above. Okay, slightly above. Right. So still waiting for it to test the resistance. All right. Okay, so waiting for it to test the resistance. Then after that, we'll take a look how it comes back here. We have about 30 over pips to get out of this transition area so that we can start selling. Okay, and I see the selling is still very promising. I can see still have about 70 pips. Okay, so still very good, but not now to sell because there's no selling signal yet. Okay, so I'm going to leave this aside. We can monitor this later on. Dollar CAD, we are coming into selling. All right, so tentatively that is good. Okay, so for dollar CAD, I'm looking out for selling right now. So at the moment, for selling over here, I see that there is a good chance. It started to form the selling. Okay, the downward trend. So for now, I will be putting this support. Let's plot out support level. And where's the resistance level? Okay, so currently the resistance level I would say that is here, right? So it's still there, up there. So I would suggest for dollar CAD, if we want to sell, we have to break the support first. Okay, we got to break the support. Okay, before we can start selling, which is about 13 pips away. Well, so still good. Okay, it is still good. So dollar CAD, all right. So I'm going to put dollar CAD into my selling list. Okay, so that we can sell from there. All right, after it breaks the support. Okay, dollar franc. Yesterday we have got some dollar franc, some TPs. Okay, over here, and now we're still in the bear. Like I say, dollar CAD is very simple. Once it goes up, it goes up. Once it comes down, it comes down. So now we are still in the bear, looking out for support level. So support level, we are still here, which is about 11 pips away. So let's wait for this dollar CAD to break the support. After that, we retest, then we go for it. Okay, all right. So dollar CAD is one, dollar franc is another one. Okay, so not bad. Okay, we can take a look. Okay, until it breaks the support level. Okay, all right. So how about dollar yen? Well, dollar yen, as of now, we are still in the pool. So tentatively, all these are the pullback. Will there be a chance for selling? If you're good at pullback trading, then I say yes, it's good for you. But if not, no, it's still on the bull. Okay, so anytime it can just boom up again. Okay, so currently I would recommend dollar yen for selling, but buying is still possible. Okay, but buying have to wait for dollar yen to look out for a support. After the support level, then there will be a good chance for buying. Okay, so it should be here. All right. So yeah, dollar yen. Okay, still looking out for buying. Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Now 22.3. Okay, we are on the 22.3. So tentatively, 22.3 is actually quite bullish. Okay, it breaks my target here. So at the moment, I will be looking out for this. Okay, for this level of resistance. Okay, as we can see. So probably buying is possible for Bitcoin. Okay, for those who have entered into the Bitcoin, all right, at 18.6. Congratulations! I think this is quite a good move. Okay, so hang on with that first. We still have some space. All right. Okay, so yeah, I think today we have no question for the gold. Okay, so we will just skip this. All right, we'll come back later on. Anyway, now it's not the right time to talk about the gold. Okay, yeah, let's see what do we have for today. Okay, what do we have for today? Right, let me flash it out so everybody can take a look. All right, so yep, and yes. Okay. We have this. Okay, we have this. Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound franc, dollar CAD, and dollar franc. Alright, all these are for selling. So all these currency for selling. Do take note. Okay, please wait for the good time of the resistance to come. Then we start selling from there. Okay, time to time it may change. Alright, so during the London hour, alright, we will update once again. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, do remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the video and also to subscribe my YouTube channel so that later on in the London session we can discuss together, we can trade together, and we can take profit together. Alright, okay, so yes, so do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring up the bell so that you can get all the notification whenever I go live. Right. Thank you so much, guys. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you in the London session. See you again.